Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now it is still very good news if you want to buy a diesel car, especially when it is ULIS compliant. And this is exactly what I've got here to show you. This is our 2015 65 plate Ford EcoSport Zetec 1.5 turbo diesel 5-door SUV. Again, I say the important thing is it is ULIS compliant. So come and take a look. It's finished in a beautiful metallic grey. Alloy wheels to die for, extremely good condition. Beautiful clear headlights. Extra driving lights below. If you look up to the screen, you can see it's got tinted glass. We're just going to take our time, go all the way around. I'm looking for bumps, I'm looking for bangs, I'm looking for stone chips. I'm trying to help with your decision making. Again, all the alloy wheels are in great condition. We have side repeater indicators which are built into the door mirror, and the door mirror is finished in exactly the same body colour. Now the vehicle comes with 2 keys, but if we start on the door card is in great condition. You've got electric mirrors, electric windows, front and rear, decent sized door pocket, speaker grille, and the condition of the door card is very good. Looking inside the vehicle, I've already mentioned it's got 2 keys, multi-function steering wheel. Looking right inside, it has a radio, CD player, air conditioning. It's a 5-speed manual, cloth upholstery, centre armrest for the driver, Recaro style seats with bags of support. One thing you'll also notice, this section here on some cars will tend to wear, purely and simply because people tend to either put their phone in their back pocket or their wallet or something, and whether it's leather or whether it's cloth, it wears. Nothing like that on this. This is in great condition. Height adjustment on the driver's seat. The sill is in good condition. There's no heel scuff marks. Now this is a family type vehicle. It sits proud on the road. Your range of vision is better. And it's got lots of leg room for the children, for growing children. Isofix seat fixings for the children's seats. And it's a proper 5-seater vehicle. Again, the door card is in good condition. And the seats, likewise. There's no marks, there's no scuffs, no damage. We go to the rear. You've got your spare wheel, which is on the spare wheel carrier to the rear. It has rear parking sensors. To open up the back, just press the little button and it's there. Now how good is that? It saves you, on a lot of vehicles, the door tends to open the opposite way. This way, when you go to the vehicle, at least you're well away from the offside traffic. Space-wise, it's huge. On the edge of the bumper, on the edge of the sill, there's no damage. Retractable parcel shelf. If you are one of the rear passengers, your range of vision is excellent. The seat configuration, you've got a 60-40 split. You know, put one section down or both sections down. And the floor in the cargo area is also in good condition. Again, there's no damage. Well looked after. So let's close that. So we mentioned that it was ULIS compliant, and we said yes, it's still good to have a diesel car. And the reason why it's good is because your fuel is also good as well. The CO2 rating is 120. Your road tax is only £35 a year. Fuel, urban, you can expect 57.6 miles to the gallon. Extra urban, 64.2. Combined, 61.4. Insurance group, low insurance group. Insurance groups go from 1 to 50. This is in 8E. Top speed, 99 mile an hour. And again, like I say, it's ULIS compliant. If you live in London or one of these towns or cities where they have these ultra low emission zones, you know, people are having to pay £12.50 a day. You don't on this. It's low mileage. It's done 40,500 miles. It's got 8 services in the book, and it's had one former owner. Now, all our vehicles carry a 6-month warranty, which is part and labour. If you want to extend it to 12 months, you can. But if you're looking for value for money, this really is an ideal vehicle. Let's just continue on. A fuel filler cap is on the passenger side. Alloy wheel, great condition. If you're looking on the passenger side, again, there's all that space. Great condition. Looking on the front. Just a great looking vehicle. So I'm just going to summarise for you. Multifunction steering wheel, radio, CD player, air conditioning, 5-speed manual, cloth upholstery, centre armrest for the driver, Isofix seat fixings for the children's seats. But really, the most important thing is, yes, it's diesel, yes, it's good on fuel, but it's also exceptionally good value for money. You're sitting proud on the road, so you can see exactly where you're going. I'm just going to walk all the way around the outside, have a little look for any car park dents. They're always favourite. Look down the body line, there's nothing there at all. Go round to the driver's side. Rear parking sensors again. Rear wiper. There's no dents on that at all. We have a little bit of background noise. Unfortunately, it's raining outside today, so we can hear this pitter-pattering on the roof of our showroom. So, if you are interested, please pick up the phone, give me a call, make an appointment, come and have a test drive. My name is Jim from Getaroundcars, where cars cost less. You can call me on 07710 858066. Thank you for watching.